In the interconnected world of finance, every currency tells a story of trade, stability, and opportunity. The NISM Series 1 Currency Derivatives Certification Examination, presented by iCapital Academy, empowers professionals to decode these stories. It builds a strong foundation in India's exchange-traded currency markets, transforming curiosity into capability and knowledge into expertise, preparing you for success.
iCapital Academy and Corporate Advisory LLP, founded in 2020, is a pioneer in financial education and strategic advisory. We provide specialized NISM certifications, comprehensive financial market training, and robust regulatory programs that prepare students and professionals for excellence. Through a unique blend of theory, cutting-edge technology, and expert mentorship, we empower learners to thrive in India's ever-evolving financial landscape. The NISM, the National Institute of Securities Markets, was established by SEBI, the regulator of India's securities markets. It plays a critical role in standardizing professional knowledge and ensuring that every certified market participant operates with the highest standards of ethics, discipline, and regulatory awareness, fostering trust and integrity in the market. The NISM Series 1 Currency Derivatives Certification Examination builds a common minimum knowledge benchmark for India's dynamic currency derivatives market. It significantly enhances understanding of exchange-traded currency futures and options, effective hedging methods, intricate trading mechanisms, and essential regulatory frameworks. This certification ensures every professional, whether a dealer, analyst, or risk manager, can handle global volatility with unparalleled insight and precision. The NISM Series 1 certification helps you master how India's currency derivatives markets operate, from global fundamentals to exchange-traded systems. You'll learn how the interbank and retail forex markets interact with exchange-based products like currency futures and options. The exam also focuses on trading workflows, clearing and settlement procedures, and the use of derivative contracts to hedge exposure against market volatility. Beyond the numbers, you'll understand SEBI's regulatory framework that governs fair practices, transparency, and investor protection, ensuring you operate as a knowledgeable and compliant market professional. The curriculum provides a complete understanding of the currency derivatives ecosystem built for real-world application. You'll start by understanding how currency values are determined globally and how macroeconomic forces impact the exchange rates. Next, you'll explore exchange-traded products like futures and options, learning their pricing, contract specifications, and margin systems. This certification is perfectly suited for dealers, traders, risk managers, compliance professionals, and treasury executives working in banks, brokerage firms, or corporates with forex exposure. It's also ideal for finance students and aspiring analysts looking to enter India's exchange-traded currency markets. By mastering this certification, you build both regulatory credibility and career strength in one of India's most technically demanding and opportunity-rich domains. The exam comprises 100 multiple-choice questions to be completed within 2 hours. A minimum score of 60% is required to qualify, with a 25% negative marking per incorrect response, ensuring accuracy, discipline, and attention to detail in every certified professional. Currency markets are the heartbeat of global finance, and your mastery begins here. Join iCapital Academy and unlock the power of precision through the NISM Series 1 Currency Derivatives Certification Examination. Shape your career with knowledge that moves markets and confidence that inspires trust. iCapital Academy, empowering financial futures.